What is good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy DQ back at with another YouTube video. You already know what time it is. It is time for another sneaker review, but not just any sneaker review. We have the also popular Nike Go FlyEase. You already know, yeah, the flexible version. I'm about to get into it. Stay tuned. I just want to get into my overall thoughts about the shoe. First, I just want to, show you guys the actual model of the shoe right here, up and close. I already broke it open, so if you guys want to see that action, here we go. Okay, just pop opens. It's literally connected by this hinge, this black hinge right here, which is just the rubber they use to connect the midsole there. And then you can see that the whole insole is completely exposed right here. The actual insole is not removable, which is very good because, I don't know about you, but when you put your foot in this thing, it's a little difficult to think about an insole while you're trying to get this thing on and off. It would just totally mess with the whole process, so I'm glad they did that. Glue the insole in there. And also, this is probably the best view you're ever gonna get of an insole, honestly speaking. Because those things are kind of hard to see for the most part, unless you're able to pull it out. Honestly, I love the colorway. 5 points for the colorway on this. I love the different paneling of the green. I love the addition of the olive heel. This came out last year, by the way, guys. This model came out last year. I do believe the new colorways that they did drop on their site are all brand new, because I know they originally released them like as a pre-order or special edition for like Nike Pro members or people who had like special accounts. I don't know all the details. I just know she was popping last year, and then it came out this year because they didn't release enough pairs initially. In terms of the actual shoe itself, do think it's a bit overhyped personally. I do like some of the, I like this here, but again, it's kind of thin. It's thick, but to me it's thin. Like I'm not a small person. I'm regular sized, I'm 5'10", but I move like a bigger person. You know what I'm saying? All my small people that are regular sized know what you mean, because we're not small to a lot of people, but we're small to the larger sized humans. So it's a very strange place to be in when you're a medium sized human. Okay, but at least I'm not tiny. Anyway, I'm 5'10" and a half. I round up to 5'11", and if you ask me in person, I'm gonna say 6 feet. Anywho, in terms of cushioning and comfort, I give it about a 7 out of 10, 6. But yeah, they're pretty comfortable. They're not bad. Don't really have any complaints there. The heel cushion, very, very cozy in there. Nothing crazy, just standard cushioning for the most part. Nike did say on their site that they used their like standard Nike cushioning on that, so not gonna be anything crazy. It's not uncomfortable. It's not wildly comfortable, but gets the job done. I don't think you'll be complaining about your feet for the most part, given that situation. Traction on the shoe, you can see it's very rigid, very tractiony. It really has good grip. Again, I don't have any complaints. I did wear these outside a little bit. I didn't wear them that long because they're personally not my style of shoe. So I probably will, give it a couple more days, see if I like it. Otherwise, I might give it back to somebody else that wants to own these. Because I just like the colorway. I don't particularly like the model of the shoe. I think it's kind of ugly, but it's not for me. This shoe is specifically for those that, have accessibility issues or problems, getting your shoes on. Maybe you don't have any arms or anything like that, or you're, handicapped in some way that you can't really put your shoes on effectively. This shoe is a very good solution for that. You just step on the heel here. I'll show you guys in the video. You can step on the step on the step on the heel, and then it pops open just like that. And you slide your foot in, and then you take it out. Although, in terms of the review for taking your shoe out of the shoe, kind of difficult sometimes. I personally had a bit of an issue taking it out sometimes, but again, it's not going to be perfect. Like it's hard to make a perfect sneaker do that unless it's a hype sneaker. You know, people don't really care what's going on with those. They just really want the model. Giving my thoughts on doing with the unboxing. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. I would do like a full sneaker review on these. But honestly, I don't want to give you guys the impression I'm going to keep these. These are most likely being returned. Because I just wanted to try them out for myself, give my thoughts and opinions on it. But yeah, this is the shoe. Mesh upper. You already know the vibes with that. Sock-like construction, booty style. Very comfortable, very flat. I'm actually impressed how they did this. They made this very flat but very form-fitting. So honestly, it looks like they just, really know how to design shoes. Because they just put looks like some plastic or some sort of, enforcement here, and they also put it on the other side to keep the overall sock, sturdy. Sturdy, that's the word, sturdy. Yeah. I don't really have too much else to say about this one. Definitely recommend these to, again, nurses. If you guys are running the grocery store, you guys got to run in the mall. Quick mall runs, want to get your shoes on quickly. These are pretty cool for that. I do like the fact you can just pop, slide them on. But I do have enough slide-on shoes at this point. I don't really need any more. And yeah, so I'm probably gonna be bringing these back to the, Nike. So if you guys don't have a pair of these, you might be able to get a pair. Or just DM me before I send them on my Instagram, or hit me up on the comments. I keep looking over there. Hit me up on the DMs, or just, drop in the comments you want this pair. It's a size, what size is this? Size 12. Oh, speaking of sizing, great segue. Speaking of sizing, I recommend you go a half size up. Don't believe they have these in half sizes. If they do, I will correct myself in the comments. But yeah, I went a half size up on these. They fit perfectly fine size-wise. So yeah, try out half size bigger. I'm 11.5 normally if you guys been watching the videos. But other than that, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Are you guys gonna cop? Are you interested in the shoe? Do you think it's terrible? Do you just not care at all? Drop a comment in the comment section. I want to know your thoughts down below. And I thank you guys for watching. More sneaker reviews coming soon. And yeah, peace out. Thank you.